Hey everyone, it's your favorite Pick Instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best baby food makers that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. NutriBullet. The NutriBullet is simple to use, convenient, and comes with the necessary accessories to elevate your culinary skills. There is a mini blender, 900 ml batch bowl with lid, short batch cups for easy grab and go, and fridge and freezer storage choices. There's no steam, defrost, or warming on the NutriBullet, it's just a blender. The brand's turbo steamer is available separately if you want to steam. In addition to steaming and pureeing, the NutriBullet Baby includes 6 storage cups and a freezer plate with a lid for frozen goodies, so you don't have to buy them individually. You'll also receive a recipe book with recipes for some inspiration. The NutriBullet's adorable design and an assortment of accessories make it fun and an affordable way to prepare nutritious baby food. It is a reasonably priced baby food maker for the functions it offers. At number 4. Biba. The Biba is a 4-in-1 surprise that steams, blends, defrosts, and reheats fruits, vegetables, fish, and meat in just 15 minutes. The one-handed operation allows you to hold your baby, play a song, and prepare a homemade meal simultaneously. Its compact design saves counter space and is incredibly simple to clean, even after ingesting tough foods like beets or spinach. We also like how the stainless steel water reservoir holds the condensed water that you can pour while pureeing to replenish important nutrients. If you want a baby puree maker that could do it all, the Biba is a great choice. It's a multitasker's dream, with the ability to steam cook solely on a single side while pureeing. This dual feature option allows you to complete large batches of recipes in a short amount of time. In this baby food maker steamer and blender, you can freeze and store the food for later use. An audible alert notifies you when the food is ready. It allows you to do other things while the baby's food is being prepared. It can also store neatly when not used because of the detachable power cord. At number 3. Sage Spoonfuls. If you are searching for the best baby food maker for home, the Sage Spoonfuls food maker is the best choice. Sage Baby Puree and Amp Blend is a simple and inexpensive way to puree. An immersion blender attachment and a food processor attachment are included in this set. This Sage Baby food maker can be paired with storage containers. The firm sells a variety of sets, which are sold separately. An immersion blender will amaze you with its usefulness for producing adult meals like salsa, hummus, pesto, and even soups. This food maker is a fantastic purchase that will outlast the infant's food time. The Sage Baby Puree and Amp Blend is ideal for moms who want to stay on top of the latest and best gadgets. It's a strong immersion blender that can easily puree fruits, vegetables, and meat, and it may be used alone or in conjunction with a food processor bowls attachment. You can control how lumpy or smooth your baby's food is in any case. At number 2. Baby Move. If you need to make baby food for a long time, consider investing in a multifunctional, multi-speed gadget that allows you to make twice as many batches. The Baby Move Duo Baby Food Maker contains 2 independent steamer baskets, allowing you to make 2 batches of baby food at once, such as carrots and apples. Each batch serves about 12 people, so prepare a double batch if you want a bunch of the same thing. This machine also heats bottles, sterilizes, reheats, defrosts, and cooks rice in addition to steaming and pureeing. All of this, plus it's dishwasher safe. The huge capacity Duo 6-in-1 baby food maker cooks, blends, warms, and defrosts meals and serves as a bottle warmer and sterilizer in one machine. It can steam 2 distinct baskets of food for various cook times, which sets it apart. The XL steaming bowl and blender can cook up to 6 cups of fresh food, about 25 portions, and warm up to 3 bottles, which is ideal for large families. The Duo takes up more counter space than other baby food producers. At number 1. Cook. The Cook Mini Baby Food Maker comes with 4 powerful features. In just 15 minutes, you can steam, combine, reheat, and defrost delicious homemade baby food. This unit's timing feature is fantastic. The preset cooking periods are great if you're new to making baby food. It eliminates the guessing when cooking. All you have to do is choose a setting and let the cook handle do the rest. The single button controls are simple and easy to use, and they're designed to use with only one hand, in case you're holding a baby with the other. The blade is made to chop or mush food into a smooth puree quickly. Large chunks should not be present in your baby's food. This method works for nuts. Simply pulse at a 5-second interval until the appropriate texture is achieved. When you're done cooking, cleaning this device will be a breeze, and all of the removable equipment are dishwasher safe. The only drawback is that it has a lower capacity than other baby food makers, just 2 cups, but that shouldn't be an issue if you plan on cooking in small quantities. It's only 10 inches wide so that it won't take up too much space on your counter. We hope you loved the video, and please tell us which products we should review next in our comment section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.